Demo of Dfuse, which is an AI-powered data exploration platform. Now, let me quickly give you an overview of how this app's UI is structured. On the left-hand side, you see this sidebar action panel where you see all the important actions like uploading a data set, visualizing charts, moving around the canvas, creating arrows, and creating sticky notes and expressions, and so on and so forth. On the middle, you see this infinite canvas where you can create charts and generate insights and ask AI. And then on the bottom right hand side, you can control this canvas by some controls like zoom in, zoom out, and lock the canvas. And you have the preview of all the charts and all the notes that you create on the canvas in this small rectangle panel. And on the top right, you have these three buttons. The first one is this user instruction modal, which opens up when the user first lands on the app. It provides an overview of the entire application and all the cool features. Then you have the settings panel where you can add in your Gemini API key, and you can select the model to avail that particular LLM service. And then you have the report panel that opens up on the right hand side. Here you can add all your chart insights and chart images and quickly turn them into shareable PDF. So with that overview, let me tell you the data set that I will be analyzing today. It is a product sales data. You have different products and metrics like revenue, cost, profit, customer satisfaction, and so on and so forth. This is a data set that I'll be analyzing. So let's click on upload data and choose the exact data set. So I have this data set here, product sales data. For AI to understand your data really well and get the meaning of it, we have to give it some more context. So just click on the analyze data set. It will go through your columns and your rows, try to understand it. So here AI has generated an overall summary of your data set and the columns description. As you can see, sales unit, revenue, cost. Now this is the AI has tried its best to understand all of these things, but if you think something is missing or if you want to add more context to it, you can edit each of these things and it will be passed down as a context to AI. So this is really great. And now you can come to the create chart section. Now create chart section, obviously you can create individual charts by selecting dimensions and measures. But what is really cool is you can just use AI to visualize data feature and just type in your intent. So let me just say, if I'm interested in profit, so what are the key factors that affect my profit? And what are the best performing products? So I have this query and I'll just click on Smart Visualize. Now all of this context will be passed to AI and it will select the right charts for me and provide me with the right insights based on my query. So as you can see, the charts are getting generated, and along with the charts, you have this chart insights section that comes up. So different charts have been generated. As you can see, profit by product, profit by category and region, revenue by profit and product, and so on and so forth. So if I take a closer look at this chart, it is pretty evident that laptop has the highest profit, followed by smartphone, and probably the lowest is this lamp product, right? And this is exactly the kind of insights I get in this sticky note. Laptop products generate the highest profit with a value of 106,000. The key factors impacting profit appears to vary by product, while laptop and smartphone generate significantly higher profits. Seems like item like lamp generate the lowest, and so on and so forth. So considering the initial query that I have given, these insights are customized. Now let's say if I'm also interested in not just the profit but also the sales units for each of the product, I can go into this chart panel and create that sales unit by product chart. So this will allow me to have a quick comparative view. Now, in order to have that view even better, I can select the two charts and I can click on this merge button, and it gives you a combined version of the two charts. As you see, the profit on the left hand side and the sales unit for different products. Now it is pretty clear that the laptop has the highest profit, but the sales units are not that much. So this tells me that some products are generating really high profits, but probably they're not selling that much, which is a good thing because their profit margin is that much, right? So if I'm interested in that particular metric of profit margin per sales unit, I can just type in. I can say that what is the average profit per unit sold for each of the product. I can ask AI to calculate this metric in natural language. So I'll just click on send, and this metric along with the data set will be passed to AI, and there you have it. For each of the product, the AI has calculated average profit per unit sold. So bookshelf has 124, desk has 200, headphone 22, laptop has 200, and so on and so forth, right? For each product, it has done this calculation. It's pretty clear that laptop and desk, that these two products have highest profit margin per unit sold. Now, this is great insights for me. What I can do is, I'm very happy with these insights. Now I can just add these insights to my report. So I click on add to report. It will take this chart, and it will take the insights and it'll be added to my report panel. Now, obviously, I can go in and I can format it anyhow I want. So this is the query result. I've given it bold, and uh, I can add like line breaks and all of that, and click on done. So one chart is added. In the same manner, I can go to any other chart and I can click on add to report, and it will be added to the report. Yeah, as you can see, this chart image has been added and all the insights from this particular chart have been added to the report. Now you can add the heading of this report, let's say profit analysis, and it is created by me. So I'll just say created by Ujjwal, and then I am, set to download it as PDF. As you can see, this beautiful PDF has opened up with all the charts and all the insights. All of this coming from AI powered exploration. Now I can download it and save it as a PDF and share it with anyone. Now this completes my overall flow. Just few more things. Since it is an open exploratory canvas, you can use features like you can add your arrow, you can add sticky notes to add in any interesting insight that stood out for you. For example, desk and laptop have the highest profit margin. So now all these insights are there for you, added as a sticky note. um, yeah, so this in a nutshell is how the Diffuse app enables you to go through your data set, visually explore each and everything, enabled by AI at each and every step, and finally allow you to create a beautiful report that you can share with anyone